Need a cheap way to display your LEGO minifigures? Look no further. By using a standard 48 by 48 stud baseplate that only costs $15, you can display over 80 minifigures at a time. The other LEGO pieces that you'll need are these 1x3 jumper plates with 2 studs on top. Space the jumper plates out on the baseplate with a stud in between and 6 studs below each other. Then gather your minifigure collection and start placing them in any order you like. I like to arrange mine in order of what theme they belong to, but the design choices are endless. Finally, apply some command strips to each corner of the base plate, as well as in the center to stick the base plate to your wall. Now sit back and enjoy your newly displayed minifigure collection.